Wow. The last video I uploaded, at the end I talked about this awesome project I was starting for the whole summer and showed a little teaser video. I also posted that video on Instagram, and if you haven't seen it, here it is real quick. Yeah, so super epic, super exciting. There's this 9-foot slab of concrete, and it's there because construction projects sometimes pour test walls to test out the concrete, and usually they demo it or destroy it after. But the owners wanted to keep it. They wanted to turn it into this permanent ephemeral canvas, evolving piece of artwork where artists can come paint just like as an ever-evolving piece of art. Such a great idea. They reached out to me, see if I was interested, and I was approached over 6 months ago. It was before Christmas in 2017, and I actually love to document everything, so I have a bunch of little update videos from the past 6 months, kind of every month. I thought it'd be fun to kind of share that, show where the project started and where it has become now. So let's take a look. Friday, December 1st, 12:41, 2017. I just came back from a meeting to paint this concrete wall that they were gonna knock down, but now they're not. Friday, December 8th, 8:40. I just literally got off the phone with Tom.
Look at how swag my LinkedIn looks though. Let's see, view profile ads. All right, this is what you'd
Gave him the rundown, and he was obviously on board, you know, he's super excited. It's the new year, 9:30 on the dot, February 11th, Sunday morning, 2018. Things are happening. It's getting super exciting. I'm about to go meet Tom at Starbucks. We have the resources to come with a more singular vision and a sick product.
That was fire. I wish I had a recording of that.
Then we're gonna go to his house, sit down with them, look at the wall. We're gonna go over, you know, all the details, bounce around ideas. It's the big meeting. It's super exciting. I didn't sleep last night.
12 seconds later.
So it's a few hours later, same day. We went over to their house. It went way better than expected. It's crazy how 2 or 3 months ago, she kind of approached me with this like cool idea, you know, not many details. It was just kind of idea. And now it's turned into this kind of like dream project with real money, real dates, real things happening. All right, it's March 17th on a Saturday. I've finished the short story that I'm writing for the slab. I'm so amped. The short story is 3 chapters, so I need to depict each chapter in one mural. I need to, you know, really capture the emotion of each chapter within one drawing on a 9-foot wall. I have a lot of work to do. How about that sequence, huh? Different points in time. It's like a portal back to those points in time. Effort. But now it is June 3rd, currently. That was over 6 months ago, like I said. It's really become the super scaled, awesome project. I brought Tom on because the project's core idea is so unique, so awesome. Painting, evolving, canvas, art. I thought that having a video element would just, you know, make it even more awesome. You know, just documenting it, sure, but having the videographer and the cinematography be a creative outlet, be a piece of art in itself, and the videos and, you know, the execution of the project together is just that much more awesome, and it's just a bigger production. So Tom is a videographer, good friend of mine. It's gonna be great. It's just us two. We went to the wall last week to do some R&D, to just scope out the property, scope out the wall, see what we want to do with the camera work. He brought his drone, we were flying it around, just seeing different things, you know, preparing before I actually start the main shebang, which is the short story and 3 murals over the course of the summer. It went great. I also threw up a little test mural. I wanted to test out the latex paint I got, the spray paint, and just what kind of techniques I wanted to use on that wall, just to get familiar, like I keep saying. I'll actually upload that video soon because it's a nice little improvised piece. But there's been so much work put in. I've finished the short story, I've finished all the illustrations, and I actually did like 2 different renders in acrylic paint, you know, downscaled what the wall is just to get even more familiar so that when I go to the wall, I'll know exactly what I'm doing. I just don't want to leave anything up in the air, you know, I want to be fully prepared to execute the best mural I possibly can. That's kind of the dealio. That's all I really got to say. I wanted to make this video to document, you know, kind of what's been going on with the project, give a good synopsis, and just to show the evolution. It's so exciting. It's starting this weekend, so stay tuned. You know, follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of things there that I don't post on YouTube. So if you want to see more, that's the place. Follow the project along with us. Follow Tom on Instagram. Yeah, see you next time.